If your Bluetooth is connected but there's no sound in Windows 11, try this. First, click the sound icon and make sure your Bluetooth device is selected as the output. If still not working, press Windows plus R and run this command. Press Bluetooth Audio Getaway and hit restart, and do same with Bluetooth Support Service. If it's still not working, we will troubleshoot the problem. Disconnect the Bluetooth device. Click the link in the description. You will be redirected to Troubleshoot page. Just copy me exactly. If it's still not working, we will open Control Panel and click on Hardware and Sound, and then on Manage Audio Devices. Click on our Bluetooth device. Open Properties. Set Bluetooth device quality to this setting or any available highest quality. Your problem should be fixed by at least one of these solutions. If not, you should find Services tab in this setting. Uncheck hands-free telephony and click Apply, then restart PC and reconnect Bluetooth device. Your problem should be fixed. Ask any doubts and comments and drop a like and subscribe if it helped.